How to delete Yahoo account permanently. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to permanently delete or deactivate your Yahoo account in just a few simple steps, so let's get started. But first thing, what you need to know is there's a difference between deactivating and permanently deleting your Yahoo account. Deactivating your account will temporarily lock it and you can reactivate it later, but if you want to permanently erase everything, including your emails, data, and settings, you need to delete your Yahoo account completely. Now let's focus on how to do that today. Alright, let's get into how to delete your Yahoo account. Alright, first open your browser and go to the Yahoo account termination page. You can do this by typing simply delete Yahoo account. And here, simply tap on it. Now, once you're in the Yahoo account deletion page, what you need to do is simply log in with the Yahoo account you want to delete. After you log in, Yahoo will give you a reminder, but what will happen if you delete your account, including losing access to the Yahoo Mail, Yahoo Finance, and other Yahoo services. If you're sure, click simply on Yes, delete the account. Now Yahoo will ask you to verify your identity for security purposes. You will either get a verification code sent to your phone number or a recovery email address linked to the account. Enter the code and click verify and simply click yes, terminate this account. And once you confirm, your Yahoo account won't be deleted immediately. Yahoo gives you a 30-day grace period, so you have a month to change your mind. During this period of time, your account is deactivated but not permanently erased. And that's it. That's how you simply delete your Yahoo account.